Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Horstmann, and I will be giving a short presentation on the new project to evaluate rootstocks for the South African plum industry. So why do we test new rootstocks? Well, new rootstocks are being continuously imported into South Africa. And we have variable and challenging growing conditions. There are variations in the soil textures and quality, the climatic conditions pertaining to the adaptability both of the scions and the rootstocks, as well as the synchronization between the two. There are parasitic nematodes present in many of our soils, as well as calcareous conditions and variable and high water tables. So the choice of rootstock to best optimize the production of any given orchard is critical. So how are we going about testing new rootstocks? We are looking for new orchards that will be established in the coming year in the Simondium or Robertson area, preferably under less than optimal conditions so that we can properly evaluate the performance of the new rootstocks. About 14 different rootstocks will be included in the trial, 2 controls, Mariana and Atlas. Then some of the new rootstocks to be included will be Barrier 1, Nichols, Miro Red, Controller 5 and 9, Rootpack R, Cornerstone, 4 rootstocks from the ARC's Rootstock Development Program, as well as some other rootpacks that may be included. Once the orchard has been established and the trees are planted, data will be collected from year 1 on tree size, that is trunk circumference, tree height and tree volume where possible, to determine tree vigor, as well as productivity measurements annually and cumulative on kilograms per tree. Yield efficiency, both annually and cumulative, will be determined. The fruit quality will be evaluated in the final 2 harvest seasons that will look at individual fruit mass, diameter, firmness, sugar and acid levels. The visual and sensory qualities of the fruit will also be evaluated, as well as disorders. Nematode analysis in the soil will occur in the first year after planting, as well as the 4th year of the running trial. So currently, we are busy identifying the sites as well as the scion varieties. This is important both for the compatibility of the rootstocks in the soil, but also to ensure that the rootstocks and the scion varieties are properly synchronized as to not skew the data. Soil analysis and the characterization will be done in this season, and we aim to plant in 2021. So what is the impact of this research on our industry and the future of it? This research should expand our current body of knowledge with regards to plum rootstocks, which will enable producers to choose the most resilient, best adapted and most productive rootstocks for the new orchard developments, which should ensure the long-term sustainability and productivity of the industry. New rootstocks should continually be tested to identify improvements on our current choices. I would like to acknowledge the following institutions for the support of the project: Hortgrow Science for the initiation of the project, funding, and as well as input from the Rootstock Evaluation Committee and the Peer Working Group, SARPO, Stargrow, Galdefco and United Exports for the availability of the rootstocks to include in the trial, as well as funding, my fellow researchers at Provar for the support, as well as Dr. Pitt Stassen for his technical input. Thank you very much.